Ay, sige, sige. Meron tayong full-funded project. Tatlo po ang component. Hello? Tatlo po. Tatlo po ang components noong full-funded project. Yung component 1 po yan ay nasa DPWH. 32 pumping stations i-rehabilitate niya ng DPWH at apat po yung gagawin na bago na pumping stations. Yung component 2 po ay nasa MMDA, which is clearing of solid waste sa mga waterways. Ang third component po niyan ay yung relocation ng mga informal sectors sa waterways. So, yung pong activities or initiative ng San Miguel, wala pong magiging conflict doon po sa World Cup 100 project. Kaya po, kami nagpo-coordinate para po siguro na wala rin pong magiging conflict yung gagawin po organisatibo ng San Miguel, Minister naman doon po sa mga projects po na pinagawa ng World Cup. Yung po sinasabi ni Sulong po, hindi po siya part ng World Cup 100 project. It's a GAA 100 project.
Kasi sir, bahay tayo sa Maynila, di ba? And then, dun po sa World Bank Project, meron din po mga pumping stations that are going to be or are being rehabilitated under the World Bank assisted projects. I'd like to ask about the status of all those pumping stations, if they're already working, because ang report doon namin about 2025 from the World Bank is that 15 of the 34 have been completed. So, lang kung malaman kung in your situation, totoo po ba yung at least in part of the network, and ano.
But I cannot address something that I cannot see. No. As far as the city of Manila is concerned, with regard to existing pumping station under the management of MMDA, they are running. That is there are new, from what I see with the presentation made regarding compensation made by other national agencies of government that are not done, finished, but non-functioning, non-operational, ay talagang malaki-malaki. So, after the presentation, now I found out Manila is not unique anymore. Because yung mga nakita ko mga unnecessary pumping station presently is also present in the city. So, kaya talaga sumasamayin kami doon sa observation ng Presidente ng Luzon. Kasi kami mismo sa lupa, nakikita namin, paulit-ulit, and very specific, sunog ako. Sunog. The Filipino people, kasi galing na sa national government yung control sa kaayo, tama po si Chairman, spent 774 million since 2018 and as we speak today. And 774 million on a creek halos creek-like size river. Hindi siya yung river the way we know it. It's not running. And for what I heard, they're about to infuse again 90 always coordinate with the local government. Kasi kung hindi, ako may wala nakita, pero hindi ko sa gumawa naman. Sir, hindi ko sa gumawa naman. Ilog, hindi ko kalsada. That should be given na kasi ang may problema natin, ilog, lumilipis, ilog na babara, ilog, nilalagyan din ng facility like pumping station, may kinamagawa. And yet, ilog yung kalsada. That is something. May concern ba kami as Manila? Hindi naman sa Manila yun. Let me call your attention. All those water coming from the east, lahat ng discuss dito, na tubig, kami po sasalo sa Manila. Sa amin po uuwi lahat yan. Kaya the more progress in the east, Manila will suffer to be. Kaya dito po sa suspects. We're very happy today. Mr. Ramon, the SNC will do something about this. And spend private money. And I can speak on behalf of my fellow mayors. I, on behalf of the city of Manila, pagkaya po nila, of course, ang welcome to Mayors of Manila. Thank you very much. Even if I saw it during my time, the first time to Mayor, in Pasig River, Mandacan area. I was there. I saw what people. And I know they will be also. It will help the national